Hello everyone. A very good morning and have a nice day. As you know that in today's scenarios, when we are facing these so many problems to manage the things at our home and at our workplace, uh, we are talking about the leadership. Yes, of course, when we are talking about the leadership in the management, what good leaders do when replacing the bad leaders. Yes, today I am going to discuss about some legacies about this very important topic, that what good leaders do when replacing the bad leaders. Yes, definitely. The very first fundamental is acknowledge the contributions of the previous leader. Yes, you cannot forget the contributions of the previous leader in the organization, because they have done something good or they have done something bad, but we have to acknowledge the positive aspects. So in this case, don't ignore the past situation, or worse, and place blame on your predecessor. That is very much important when we are talking about the replacing a bad leader with the good leader in the organizations. Second important thing is enable a vision for the future by grappling with the past. Yes, definitely. What does your team want to hold on to? That's important. What do they want to leave behind? That's also important. And what do they want to create a new things? Definitely a new leader wants to create new things according to the situations prevails in the organizations. So enable a vision for the future by grappling with the past. Third important fundamental is understand your employees' experiences. Is definitely when we are talking about the organization, we have a number of employees, those who are having the rich experiences or those who are having the newcomers in the organization. But what you have to do, listen to people who felt the adverse effects of the prior leader and use their input to shape your vision. Yes, definitely. What happens in the past, you just forget, and you have to concentrate and listen to the people who are in the organization, and you have to use their input to shape your vision for the success of the organization. These are the important things that you have to carry forward in your mind while we are talking about the replacing the old leaders, or we can say the bad leaders, with the good one. Thank you so much, and I'll be coming up with the more management fundamental for your knowledge and perspectives.